Here's what we're up to today. Putting a set of Raceway channel letters. What I used to say.
Yeah, right. Move up
old
a little
skating
bit.
rink. Put up these two sets. I've already taken the old letters down, so that was nice of them. Make for an easy day. Should be look like there's power right there. So up here just north of Jackson, Tennessee, on a little road trip. Got a little jib set up. Got a Raceway letter, so it'd be an easy day. I have a love-hate relationship with this jib, but sometimes they're all right. Actually, the building's gonna split right there, so we're gonna center it over the right half. Used to be a skating rink or something. But yeah, just two sets of channel letters. I think they're gonna be stacked, one on top of the other. Got her hanging. Try to get away with toggle boats. Hopefully there's something wood behind there. The other shit was 3-bolted, but we'll see. Got that one up there. Gotta put some fasteners in the bottom mounting brackets. Yeah, it's up there. We're just working on the back side of the wall now. Trying to get the power. Bottom set fell in that void, so hopefully we can reach down in there and hit something, snag it. Yeah, that's up there. Just gotta paint the hardware and put the Raceway covers on it. Very easy job. Nice like when they come that way.